Hey guys, what's up? I'm Rohit Khurana, host on Click Digest, and the much awaited Xiaomi Redmi Note 3 is already launched in India. We have done comprehensive reviews of the same, and in this video, we are going to pitch this phone against the Honor 5X and LETV or La Eco LE1S. All three phones are in a very similar price segment as well as they are in very similar design as well. So let's find out which one is the best among these three and which one should you pick. Let's get started with this comparison. I'll start with design and build quality, and boy, all three phones impress me a lot. The Li 1S seems to be the most trendy of three with the slimmest bezels, smallest size, however, it feels dense and has the highest weight of around 169 grams, while the other two phones are also similarly weighted, with the Redmi 3 being the lightest among these three. In terms of size, there is slimmest bezel on Li 1S followed by Redmi 3 followed by Honor 5X, which has the largest footprint, but it's not too bad if you put them side by side. They are very similar in terms of size. They all sport a 5.5-inch display with 401 ppi pixel density. In all three phones you get the power or wake up key and volume rockers to the right. There is audio port or 3.5mm port on top on all three phones. All three phones get charging ports at the bottom. There are speaker grills on the Li 1S and the Honor 5X at the bottom, whereas the Redmi 3 gets speaker grill at the rear. All three phones get fingerprint scanners at the rear location, almost identical location. The ones on the Li 1S and Redmi 3 are rounded, whereas on the Honor 5X you find a squarish fingerprint scanner. When it comes to buttons, there are backlit bezel buttons on Li 1S as well as Redmi 3, but there are no bezel buttons on the Honor 5X. They are a part of the display. Hence, the effective display size that you find on the Honor 5X is kind of smaller compared to the other two phones. Now let's talk SIM support and expandable memory support. All these phones are dual SIM, with the Li 1S getting two discrete SIM card slots, Honor 5X getting two discrete SIM card slots. The Redmi 3 is kind of losing here because it gets a hybrid slot, so herein you can put either a second SIM or a micro SD card, but it does not lose to Li 1S because it does not get expandable memory at all. When it comes to expandable memory support, Honor 5X is better off with a discrete or a separate micro SD card slot for memory expansion, while the Li 1S does not have it altogether, and Redmi 3 gets a hybrid slot wherein you can decide to have a second SIM card or a micro SD card as per your requirement. On top of the Li 1S as well as Redmi Note 3, you would find this black tap, which is nothing but an infrared blaster. This feature is not provided on the Honor 5X. Talking of display quality and sunlight legibility, the quality of display that we found is the best on the Redmi 3 among these three phones, closely followed by Honor 5X, then followed by the Li 1S. Indoors, they all look great, but when you take them outdoors or put them directly in sunlight, the Redmi 3 gives you the best color saturation as well as the best contrast ratios, making it the most visible among these three. In absolute terms, we are not very happy with the sunlight legibility of the Redmi Note 3. However, among these three phones, it is still the best. The video viewing experience as well as viewing angles on all three phones are very good, and they are very good for indoor displays. However, if you go outdoor, Redmi Note 3 is a clear winner here. When it comes to audio from the speaker, the Honor 5X is the loudest among these three, followed by the Redmi Note 3 and La 1S, which come almost very close and almost identical when it comes to loudness. Next up, cameras. You get a 16 megapixel rear shooter and a 5 megapixel front shooter on the Redmi Note 3. On Honor 5X, you get a 13 megapixel rear and 5 megapixel front facing shooter. And on Li 1S, you get a 13 megapixel and 5 megapixel rear and front facing camera respectively. However, with the camera samples that we took with these phones, for the rear camera we found that the performance is very comparable for Honor 5X and Redmi Note 3, and we will rate them or will rank them 1 among these three, while the Li 1S comes close to a second place. In terms of front facing cameras, the best performance and natural pictures we got on Honor 5X, followed by Redmi Note 3, followed by Li 1S, which produced extraordinarily warm pictures. Here are samples on your screen to judge for yourself. But one area where Lee 1S outshines among these three is capability to record 4K videos with the rear-facing camera, which the other two phones do not allow. Now let's talk specifications and performance. The Redmi Note 3 is powered by a Snapdragon 650 hexa-core chip which comes with 2GB RAM and 16GB internal memory, or a 3GB RAM and 32GB internal memory option. The Honor 5X comes with a Snapdragon 616 octa-core chip with 2GB RAM and 16GB internal memory, whereas Lee 1S comes with a 2.2 GHz octa-core Helio X10 chip with 3GB of RAM and 32GB of internal memory. On paper, they all seem very competitive, but when we ran Antutu benchmark, we got a score of 75,000 on the Redmi Note 3, which is the best among these three, followed by 55,000 on Lee 1S, followed by around 36,000 on the Honor 5X. In terms of gaming performance and GPU performance, Lee 1S seems to be the weakest among three, besides having a higher Antutu score compared to the Honor 5X. So if you're a gamer, the best phone among these three would be hands down Redmi Note 3, which has the most advanced CPU and GPU combination, followed by Honor 5X, followed by the Lee 1S. But if you're not a gamer and looking for average day-to-day performance, then Lee 1S is also good enough. Now let's talk about some other important software features, which includes USB OTG support. We are able to run USB OTG on Redmi Note 3 easily, and with the Lee 1S using a micro USB to Type-C USB connector. The USB OTG works on both these phones. However, on Honor 5X, we found online that it does support USB OTG, but the unit that we have could not run OTG. There may be some specific issue with this specific unit, so we can't confirm whether it supports USB OTG or not. The softwares that these phones run is Xiaomi MIUI on the Redmi Note 3, the Emotion UI on Honor 5X, and EUI on the Lee 1S. None of these phones have Marshmallow yet and are running on Android Lollipop builds. But if I have to pick one of these three, I would probably go for MIUI for its rich features. Now comes another very important part, which is how these phones charge, how much is the battery. There is a micro USB port on the Redmi Note 3 and Honor 5X, while there is a Type-C USB on the Lee 1S. The Redmi Note 3 supports a 2A charger, which is a 10-watt charger, whereas the Honor 5X ships with a 1A charger, which is a 5-watt charger. The Lee 1S, on the other hand, supports adaptive fast charging on MediaTek standards and also ships with a fast charger within the box. So when it comes to fastest charging support, Lee 1S has a clear advantage here, followed by Redmi Note 3, followed by Honor 5X. But the game-changing feature is the largest size battery that you get on the Redmi Note 3. While the other two phones, Honor 5X and the 1S, get a 3000 mAh battery, you get 33% larger 4050 mAh battery on the Redmi Note 3. It easily outlasts the other two phones when it comes to battery performance, and we have tested the Redmi Note 3 to work up to 2 to 3 days on moderate to light usage, which is commendable. So when it comes to pure battery life, then Redmi Note 3 is the obvious choice. In terms of battery, Honor 5X stands at second place, followed by Lee 1S. So these were all the important practical differences among these three phones that you must know before you make a purchase decision. If you want to pick either of these, I am leaving Best Buy links in the description section below. All three phones are excellent, but if I have to pick one, I would rank Redmi Note 3 at number 1, followed by Honor 5X, followed by Lee 1S. What are your thoughts? Let us know in the comment section below. Leave a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching this video by liking this video. Press subscribe button for more such comparisons from Intellect Digest. This is all we have on this one. This is your host Rohit Khurana signing off. Thanks for watching.